So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a severed finger charm out of polymer clay. It's molded after my pinky. To start off this project, you're going to need some amazing mold putty. You can get it at Michael's or Joann's. Got mine in the section where the varnishes and stuff are. It's about $20, so make sure you take your coupon. You take equal parts of A, equal parts of B. You mix them together. Well, I put mine to measure them. I put mine in my paint palette, an empty one. And so, like, I measure it out, put it in there. I do the same with the white. Then you mix it together, and you have about 3 minutes to work with it before it starts hardening. So once you mix it together, you're going to put it on your finger. And I found, because I've made 3 of these, so I found that the best way to make these is to put it on and then have your hand resting upside down, because if you're resting it this way, like just flat, your finger naturally bends that way, so it's going to smush your mold, which you can see. I started off doing that, but then I flipped it around. So anyways, leave this on about 15 minutes, and then get yourself some flesh tone clay. Mine is Kato Poly clay. I wouldn't recommend using this because it is so hard to use. And then you're going to get some translucent clay. You're going to mix about 2 parts to 1 part. 2 parts flesh to 1 part translucent. So once you have your clay all mixed up, roll it into a cone shape. And I always have my X-Acto knife handy because this stuff gets so dirty. Take your mold and just smush it in there. Make sure you're filling around the top to make sure your clay's all the way down. And then what I do, I carefully put it in some ice water. Because what that does is that hardens up the clay so it doesn't stick into your mold. I just do it for, a couple of seconds. It's just too cute. Anyways, there's my fake finger. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and just dip this in here to keep it hard. Okay, I'm gonna cut it off down here because some of my mold's jacked up down there. Okay, and cut it. And because it's cold, it's still maintaining the shape. So at this point, we'll get some translucent clay and some white clay. Okay, so to make the bone, just roll out your white and translucent mixture. You're going to cut 3. I'll make it a little thinner. Oh, on this size. Okay, so just put in the white clay against the bone. You can separate it a little bit better. Mine's really sticky, so it's sticking together really badly. Okay, and then I'm going to bake this. I'm actually going to bake it on top of some stuffing batting, so that it doesn't ruin the circular shape of it. And once it's baked, I will show you. Oh wait, we need our eye pen. So here's my baked finger. It's a little dirty, but I ended up baking it for like 15 minutes. It needs to bake a little bit longer, but I'm going to put some blood on it. Now, what I'm doing for my blood, I am taking some oil paint. And TLS. And I'm going to mix them together. Now, I was told, or I was reading a blog that said that oil paints work better than acrylic paints, because in the oven the acrylic paints break down. So we'll give it a shot. I haven't tried it before, but I'm gonna glaze it with some Sculpey glaze. So I'm just gonna paint the nail. And then I'm gonna paint over the blood.